I'm back. He's here. He said he's not gonna be. Why? Just kidding. I don't even need him anyways. Kinda useless. Where's Olaf? Where's Olaf? What happened to Olaf? Wait a minute, I can just build something else. Like, small cake. Only two, like, size. Olaf is not allowed anymore. Why? Olaf is dead. No. Who killed Olaf? You cut him. I was about to stop him. But you came to stab him. Now I'm gonna make another Olaf. No! We're still not done. Episode 6 is the worst one. Guys, don't call him guys. He's not a guy, he's a bakla. I'm not a bakla. Just kidding. No, I mean Olaf is a bakla. Not you. You just palo me for no reason. Ah! I know it's cold. I'm gonna make a burger for Olaf. Just kidding. I just made poop for him. We're gonna eat all the things that we made because we're gonna be a mukbang. Where? True. Say okay. I won't say true because you hit me with a knife. Do I even have a knife? Yeah. Your hand is a knife because it looks like sharp than a poop. Dude, I sharpened my teeth like 10,000 years ago. No, I sharpened my teeth 18,000 million billion gillion billion.